Now, is this the best cleaner you can buy for your car, truck, tools, and garage? Let's find out. So as you can tell, it does a great job at cleaning grit, grime, and grease. If you prefer a liquid product over the foam, they do make one as well. Awesome reviews on Amazon. I'll have additional photos on Instagram. And lastly, if you want a free t-shirt and a hat, please leave a clean comment. After a couple of weeks, we'll choose a winner and we'll ship it right out to you. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.